If you're looking for the best car battery chargers in 2025, you've come to the right place. Whether you're maintaining your daily driver, reviving an old car, or storing your motorcycle for the season, a reliable car battery charger is a must-have tool in your garage. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 car battery chargers, comparing their features, build quality, and performance, so you can pick the perfect one for your vehicle. All the product links are in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1, Outerman Car Battery Charger. First up, we have the Outerman Car Battery Charger, a powerful and versatile option for both 12V and 24V batteries. This charger isn't just about topping off your battery, it's designed to diagnose and repair various battery problems using its pulse repair function, which helps restore battery health and extend life. It supports a wide range of vehicles, from cars and motorcycles to boats, lawnmowers, and even kids' ride-on toys. What makes it stand out is its intelligent LCD display, showing real-time current, voltage, and charging status, so you always know what's happening. And the best part, it features both auto and manual modes. In auto mode, it shuts off when fully charged, perfect for safety. In manual mode, you can keep charging to reactivate deeply drained batteries. Outerman backs this with a 1-year warranty, giving you extra peace of mind. If you want a fast, smart, and repair-capable charger, this one's a great pick. Number 2. NextPeak Car Battery Charger, 10A. Next, we have the NextPeak 10A Car Battery Charger, a high-speed, 7-stage smart charger that works with both 12V and 24V batteries. It charges faster than most 5A models, yet it's gentle on battery life. You can use it on cars, trucks, boats, ATVs, and SUVs. Basically anything with a lead-acid, AGM, GEL, or SLA battery. This charger also doubles as a trickle charger, perfect for long-term battery maintenance during winter or holidays. It prevents battery drain and ensures your vehicle is ready to go anytime. The pulse repair technology helps restore lost capacity and improve cold starts. And thanks to its large LCD screen, you can monitor everything: voltage, current, temperature, and even charging percentage. Plus, it's equipped with 8 levels of protection, including overcharge, short circuit, reverse polarity, and temperature compensation. Simple plug-and-play setup, 2-year replacement warranty, and great safety features make the NextPeak 10A a perfect all-in-one solution. Number 3, ABLE 8A Car Battery Charger. At number 3, we've got the ABLE Car Battery Charger, a reliable and compact 8-amp smart charger built for both 12V and 24V lead-acid batteries. It supports AGM, EFB, GEL, SLA, and flooded WET types, making it ideal for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and marine batteries. ABLE features a precision charging system that automatically adjusts based on ambient temperature. That means no more overcharging in summer or undercharging in winter. It even includes a battery repair mode designed to revive weak or idle batteries using pulse frequency technology. The touch LCD display gives you all the essential info: charge current, voltage, temperature, and mode in real time. Built with flame retardant ABS housing and equipped with protection against overcurrent, overheating, and reverse polarity, this charger is both safe and durable. If you want a compact, intelligent, and safe battery charger for everyday use, the ABLE 8A is a solid pick. Number 4, NextPeak 6A Car Battery Charger. Coming in at number 4, we have another great model from NextPeak, the 6A Car Battery Charger. This version offers a perfect balance between charging speed and battery safety. With 12V6A output, it's faster than most 5A chargers, but gentle enough to prevent overcharging, extending your battery's life cycle. It's great for cars, motorcycles, trucks, boats, and SUVs. And like the 10A version, it also includes pulse repair and trickle charging functions. Its winter and holiday maintenance mode is excellent for keeping batteries alive during long storage periods. You'll also love the visual LCD display, which clearly shows voltage, temperature, charging status, and mode. With multiple protections, including reverse connection, short circuit, and fireproof design, you can trust it to work safely and efficiently. Just plug it in, connect, and charge. It's that simple. The NX Peak 6A is a user-friendly, affordable choice for maintaining your batteries year-round. Number 5, DeWalt DX-AEC801B Bench Battery Charger. Finally, taking the number 5 spot is the DeWalt DX-AEC801B Bench Battery Charger, a premium heavy-duty charger from a trusted brand. With 30 amps of charging power, this unit handles all 12V, AGM, GEL, and wet batteries, from cars and trucks to marine vehicles and RVs. It features 3-stage smart charging, automatically switching from fast charge to top off and trickle mode for optimal performance. But what really sets it apart is the 80 amp engine start function, capable of jump starting your car in about 60 seconds. That's a lifesaver during emergencies. It also has a battery reconditioning mode, helping to restore and extend battery life. The built-in alternator check feature ensures your charging system is healthy. With its clear LCD screen, sturdy construction, and DeWalt's proven reliability, this charger is perfect for garages, workshops, and professionals. If you want a powerful, fast, and multifunctional battery charger, this one's for you. And that wraps up our list of the 5 best car battery chargers for 2025. From compact smart chargers like the ABLE and NextPeak models, to the heavy-duty DeWalt powerhouse, there's an option here for every need and budget. All the product links are listed in the description below, so check them out if you want to learn more or make a purchase. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest reviews and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.